The European hamster. Wild hamsters are found in grasslands throughout Central Europe. Here in the city, they're doing extremely well. This male is on a mission to find food. The coast looks clear. But best not take any chances. The trick is to get in and out before you're caught. And now, dessert. Candle wax. It's full of oil and high in calories. A hamster's cheeks can hold a quarter of its body weight. Just one more mouthful. Oh dear. Big cheeks and narrow bottlenecks. How very embarrassing. Mission accomplished.